Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffles in Stardew Valley. To begin your truffle farming journey, you will need to acquire a pig. These special animals are the sole producers of the highly sought-after truffles. First, ensure you have a deluxe barn constructed on your farm. Once ready, visit Marnie's ranch and purchase a pig for 16,000 gold. This initial investment is crucial for your future truffle profits. For your pig to produce truffles, it needs proper care and freedom. Ensure your pig is fed every single day by placing hay in the barn's feeding trough. More importantly, let your pig outside so it can forage. Truffles will only appear on the ground when your pig is outdoors, specifically on grassy areas. Always check around your barn and pasture for these valuable finds. To maximize your truffle yield, focus on your pig's happiness and your own skills. A pig with maximum friendship, which is 5 hearts, has a much higher chance of finding multiple truffles each day. Pet your pig daily to build this bond. Additionally, your character's foraging skill plays a significant role. A higher foraging level can increase the quality and number of truffles found. Truffles are incredibly profitable, and you can boost your earnings even further. While selling raw truffles is good, especially iridium quality ones, crafting truffle oil is even better. Use an oil maker to transform your truffles into truffle oil. If you choose the artisan profession at farming level 10, your truffle oil will sell for double its base price, making it one of the most lucrative items in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.